This is truly a beautiful Kate Spade bag. Essential large work tote. The Luna color is a beautiful, soft gray that's a great neutral for work outfits. My 15-inch laptop fits perfectly, and I love that the laptop sleeve is in the middle of the work tote so it's not inclined to topple over to one side, like my previous laptop Kate Spade bags. I also love all of the extra pockets in the side compartments to keep smaller items organized. Absolutely in love with this Kate Spade work tote, so I bought two. I like the red color, but the light blue, teal is better for summer outfits. I like that it easily fits my books, sticky notes, pens, wallet, iPad, etc. The padded pockets are spacious enough to also hold chargers and headphones, which is great. Details: pebbled leather with smooth leather trim, faux Saffiano leather lining, foil embossed logo, tote with turn lock flap closure, 6 interior slip pockets, interior snap tab slip pocket, interior zipper pocket, interior padded zipper sleeve, fits current iPhone, large continental wallet, iPad, A4 binder, 15 inches laptop.